Yeah, so it's called mixed media. You use different things in a canvas and on your art. So it's not calligraphy or it's not like normal Islamic art. It's called modern Islamic art. It's a new genre altogether. So my name is Shafia and I'm from Baramulla. I got into this Islamic art, like I started as a calligrapher because I just wanted to practice and just try myself into it. I was already good at paintings and then I started doing this, and I found out that there is an new emerging genre of art called Islamic modern art. So I was like really inspired and kind of like really attracted to this art. So basically it's not calligraphy per se, but it's Islamic modern art, and my art is inspired from like hadith, Quranic stories, or something that inspires me. For example, this piece that you see right here is inspired on the principle of charity and how much barakah it can bring to you when you give. Yeah, so when I just had this notion that only people do tawaf of Kaaba, but when I came to know, by learning, because I do not just read Quran, in Arabic text or just read its translation in English, but I also tend to, I'm more enticed to learn tafsir as well. So when I learned about the fact that the whole universe actually does tawaf around Kaaba, it was like really enticing, and I just wanted to, tell people about it through my art. Everybody supported me. In fact, my mother, my mamu, everybody in my family, they were so supportive of it. Even though I wasn't earning at that time, and it was like art is not cheap, it's expensive. The colors that I use, the canvases that I use, everything, the tools that I have, it's expensive, but everybody was so supportive, alhamdulillah. I don't know, to be honest, like I'm not a professional artist. It's just something that is within me. I don't know, like I didn't try for it, so I don't know what it takes, but it was something that was within me and I always wanted to do it. I think art is for everybody to understand and to perceive, and especially for abstract art, it's for the audience to understand it. But this was just my perspective that I drew it something to be an inspiration and to be an motivation from the Quranic perspective and from the Islamic perspective, that how you can actually come or rather overcome your difficult times. To be honest, like when I create a piece, it's just I'm in the moment, it's created in the moment, and after that even I don't believe that it's done by me. The message that I would like to give is you should always perceive what your heart desires and what you think you can do. I mean, even I didn't know that I could be an artist someday, but this was something that came through from trial and test, yeah, whatever you are enticed to, or whatever your heart desires, I think you should explore yourself and then settle to one thing that you love the most.